Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to hard reset all of your iPhone 11s. This works on any model of iPhone 11. But before we get into the video, I have a giveaway for an iPhone 11. All you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, drop a like on the video, and leave a comment down below. The giveaway winner will be announced once I hit 50,000 subscribers. So the faster I hit that, the faster one of you will win the iPhone 11. So spread the word and get more people to subscribe for a better chance to win the iPhone 11. I hope one of you guys win it, and let's get right back into the video. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, hold the lock button. Continue to hold the lock button until your phone completely turns off. You can then let go of the lock button once the Apple logo pops up. If you guys need any assistance, I have a lot of videos about iPhones that could probably help you guys out. And any problems that you guys have, you can shoot me a message on Instagram or send me a message down below in the comments. I could try to get back to you guys as soon as possible. This shouldn't take too long. And there you guys go. Your iPhone 11 has been soft resetted.